Everyone, welcome to my channel back. Today I'm with another video. We are going to learn science about solid, liquid and gas. So first, let's go with solid. What is a solid? I have 8 examples that what are solid. Particles of solid are tightly packed. We can't even change their shapes. They have fixed shapes. We can't even break because they already have their shape and we can't even change their shapes. They have very less space between the particles. As you can see, they don't have any space because they are attached together. Solids have fixed volume. They are highly ripped, strong force of actions and are present between solid particles. They have more energy. They can't flow. They are not easily compressor material. Okay, so let's go to liquid. Particles of liquid are loosely packed. As you can see, it's just a little bit more space and a little bit of liquid particles. So, their shapes are not fixed and depend on the container. Example, if we pour the water to the container, actually the liquid don't have their own shape. But if they go into a container, they will have a fixed shape like the solid. They have more space between the particles comparing to the solid. Liquid have fixed volume. They are loose liquid. They can flow. Their materials can be processed safely. So as you can see, the liquid is not same as a solid because it don't have a fixed shape. But when it's poured to a container like a water bottle, then it have a fixed shape. So let's go for gas. Particles of gas are freely to move. As you can see, it's very freely. People can't see the gas at all. Shapes of gases are naturally not fixed. It's never fixed. It's just a liquid like a smoke. They have more space between a particle compared to the solid and liquids. They are not ripped out at all. They can flow. They are not burst particularly once. So as you can see, let's go to the solid first. Solid is an object that is very tight together and have a fixed shape. We can't change the shape or make them move. Liquid is don't have a shape and we can change their shapes anyways I want. But if they got a container inside, they have a collect shape. Gas doesn't have shape because gas is like people can't see or we can't feel it. We can only see or some gases we can see like smoke, like many things, but carbon dioxide and for many things. So let's go to the objects. Solid objects. The first one is ice, phone, cube, corn, cylinder, spheroid, pyramid. Liquid objects: water, milk, vinegar, beer, oil. Gas objects: oxygen, argon, neon, carbon dioxide. So, for example, we do have another thing. As you can see here, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, I like to tell this also. Now, this is example B. So, we are breathing in is oxygen. We are breathing in is oxygen. But we breathe out is carbonic dioxide. So this is very important, and also we breathe and breathe out is both are gas objects. So this is a little example for the lesson today. Okay, so let's go to our next. So at the description I'll be putting some worksheets so you can do after you see the video. Next, now we are going to learn how this liquid solid gas can change to other things. For example, solid to liquid. Okay, solid to liquid. So, ice. For example, ice. If it's a hot day, the ice will very melt. So, to melt is solid, if it melts, is to liquid. So, solid to liquid is called melting. It's called melting. But, when the ice already be liquid and it want to be solid, what we are doing? We are going to put the water to the ice cubes cylinder, we keep in the freezer and take it out and it's already to solid. That is liquid to solid, is solidifying. Next, liquid to gas. Okay, liquid to gas. It's very operative, but I have another example. Sand to gas. Of course, when we take sand to our hand and when we blew it, it can be like gas. We can see and it can hurt our eyes. So that's called evaporation. Next, gas to liquid. Gas to liquid. Let's see what example we have. I don't have any examples, but that process is called conductance. Next, gas to solid. This is a very good thing, but later I'll tell you what the thing is. Gas to solid is deposition. This is a big really word. I don't know how to use a presentation it. Next, solid to gas. Okay, objectively, these three are really difficult to give a meaning. So, solid to gas is sublimation. So, as you can see, they are the patriotic meaning for gas and liquid. So now, what we're going to do is, now I'm going to take some objects and see which one is going to do. Now we are going to do an integration about this thing. So I'll come right away. Okay, I'm back already. So after this video, when I upload this, later with another video, I'll come right away to do the experiment investigator for the solid liquid gas lesson. So now, we are going to learn something else about solid. Okay, now we are going to do some investigator about this. Okay, so as you can see, here is some steam, right? So, and a cup and a kettle. So, now we are going to see what are gas and liquid and solid objects are here. So, we have kettle, okay, and steam, and the water. Inside here, I draw the water, and the water. Okay, so let's see what is the solid. So, as you can see, the kettle name. So, the kettle is a liquid, solid, or a gas object. Pause the video and try to do. Yes, it is a solid object. This is a solid object because this object have a fixed shape and we can't make it to another shape. Next, water. What is water? Yes, it's a liquid. Liquid is that doesn't have a fixed shape, but as you can see, when we pour it to a cylinder, it will be a shape inside the container. Next, steam. So we done solid and liquid. One is only left. It's gas. Now, next is number 2 picture. So, I'll let you guys do these 2 pictures by you guys self, and then you guys can send me in the description doing this 2 by you guys self who's watching this video, and you can send me into description, or else you can send me on the comment site. See you in another video. Bye bye.